Chief Executive Officer Section 2, 18. A Chief Executive Officer, CEO, means an officer of a company who has been designated as such by it. Key features. 1. Designation. The CEO is an officer of the company officially designated as such by the board of directors or other governing body of the company. This designation is formalized through a board resolution or an official appointment. 2. Role and responsibilities. The CEO is responsible for the overall management and operational activities of the company. This includes strategic planning, decision-making, and overseeing the execution of company policies. 3. Authority. The CEO typically has the authority to make significant decisions regarding the company's operations, financial management, and strategic direction. They act as the main point of communication between the board of directors and the company's operational units. 4. Accountability. The CEO is accountable to the board of directors and is responsible for implementing the board's directives and strategies. They also represent the company in public and in dealings with external stakeholders. Importance. 1. Leadership. The CEO provides leadership and vision to the company. They set the strategic direction and motivate employees to achieve organizational goals. 2. Operational oversight. The CEO oversees the day-to-day operations of the company, ensuring that all activities align with the company's objectives and comply with regulatory requirements. 3. Strategic planning. The CEO is involved in strategic planning, helping to identify opportunities for growth and development and mitigating potential risks. 4. Stakeholder communication. The CEO communicates with various stakeholders, including shareholders, employees, customers, and regulatory bodies. They ensure transparency and build trust with these groups. 5. Decision-making. The CEO makes critical business decisions that affect the company's direction, performance, and sustainability. This includes financial management, resource allocation, and policy implementation. Legal framework and compliance. Appointment. The appointment of a CEO must be formalized by the board of directors through a resolution. The terms of their employment, including roles, responsibilities, and compensation, are typically outlined in their appointment letter or contract. Disclosure. Companies are required to disclose the appointment of a CEO in their statutory filings, including annual returns and reports. This ensures transparency and accountability. Regulatory compliance. The CEO ensures that the company complies with all applicable laws and regulations. They are often involved in regulatory reporting and communication with government authorities.